name is Lainie and today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter no-bake cookies. To do these cookies, you are going to need 2 cookie sheets lined with parchment paper, a medium saucepan, half a cup of milk, half a cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3.5 cups of oats, and a tip for when you're measuring out your oats, you have to make sure that it's mostly level, so you just kind of shake it and level it like that. You're going to need 1 cup of peanut butter, and then when you use your peanut butter, it's kind of hard to make it all level, so you just grab a lot of it, and I use like a spatula sometimes to take some off, but I really like peanut butter, so I may just put a little bit extra. And so when you do that, you just take like a little knife or a spatula and you take it out and plop it in your bowl, and it's going to get really messy, but it's okay because peanut butter is amazing. There you go. And then finally, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So once you have all these ingredients, plus a timer in case you need it, we're going to go over the stovetop and we're going to start cooking. So first you're going to put your butter, your milk, and your sugar in your saucepan on medium heat. And when you're handling your butter, don't forget to wash your hands so you don't get any germs on there. Since my butter is still a little cold, I'm going to leave it here and let it melt alone and then put these in later. But if your butter is softened, you can just put it in all at the same time. Now that our butter is mostly melted, I'm going to set my spatula down and add in my sugar. And I'm going to add in the milk. And we're going to stir this in and wait for it to boil. Now that my mixture is starting to boil, I'm going to set my timer over here for 2 minutes. And make sure to stir it constantly so it doesn't burn. Now that my timer has gone off, you got to turn off your heat and take it off the heat. So I'm going to put it on this nice little cork board or like a pot holder. And you have to stir in your peanut butter and your vanilla. So I'm going to use a spatula. Get all my peanut butter in there. Careful, it's going to be messy. Watch out, don't hurt yourself. And I got to get the rest of it. And it might get on your hands, but it's okay. And then I also need to get in my vanilla. And then after that, you're just going to stir it in and wait until it's combined. Now that this is fully mixed in, I'm going to add in my 3.5 cups of oats and stir those in until they're combined. Now that they're fully mixed in, I have 2 spoons, and I'm going to take a tablespoon and I'm going to carry it on over my parchment paper cookie sheet and stick it right there. And this is going to be my nice little cookie. And I'm going to do this for the rest of the time. Make sure to evenly space them out and make sure not to make a mess like I did. Space them out maybe 1 to 2 inches. And then you'll just do this for your whole batter on your 2 cookie sheets. Now I've spooned out all my batter, and this recipe is supposed to yield about 40 cookies. You'll stick these in your fridge for half an hour and you'll have easy peanut butter no-bake cookies. These can be stored in an airtight container for up to 4 days, and I hope you enjoy. Have a great day.